2 episodes here. Also, Nacho Libre utilized these sets. And speaking of Harrison Ford, Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, this was Peru in that movie. So it has gotten a lot of use over the years. The only thing I'll say about this set is it has weird weather sometimes. I am feeling some thunder and seeing some lightning. As long as it doesn't start raining, we're going to be okay, right, man? That's what I'm thinking too. So we should be fine as long as there's no rain. That was almost too perfectly timed. Okay, here's the thing. If you're making a movie or a TV show in Los Angeles, chances are you're going to have to contend with beautiful weather. I know. Rub it in. Me and Ben here, we live in paradise. We're not afraid to say it. But your script might call for inclement weather. Well, guys and dolls, we can make that inclement weather. We can make it lightning. We can make it thunder. We can make it rain. And then we'll make it rain at the box office. Am I right? Chick. Yeah, we will. Yeah, we will. Now, we can also, if we so choose, make a flash flood. Flash flood's coming our way. Everybody might get a little wet on this one, so brace yourself.
Oh, it's amazing.
The weather outside is frightful, but the tram is so delightful. Am I right? We actually used that flash flood in a little movie called Big Fat Liar. Take a look at this.